Hey guys, Sonance here, back in another video. In this video, we'll be remaking the bass and leads from Mike Williams and Hardwell's new track, I'm Not Sorry. So the final result will sound like this. So now, let's dive into the bass sound design. The presets sound like this. So by the way, all the presets are coming from Future Bounce Form 2. So if you want the preset pack with furthermore other presets in the style of Future Bounce, make sure to check the link down below. So now let's dive into the preset. Select in the preset. Go over the sine wave. And lower down 2 octaves. Press on the B, we're going to use it for FM modulation. So go to the Monster 3 wave table. And select FM from B. To around here. Lower oscillator B 1 octave down. And enable the filter. I'm gonna use the low 12. Cut off around here. Shift envelope 2 like this. And route to the cutoff. Put on the drive quite a bit. And route envelope 2 to the right as well. Some fatness. Some mono legato. Make it slide a bit more. Then we're gonna shape envelope 3 like this. Gonna route it to the pitch. So the bass becomes a bit more puffy. Go to matrix and select one way. Too much so. Shape it something like this. Make with a noise, select kick. And route to the filter. Just something like this. Then dive into effects. First of all, hyperdimension. A little bit of hyper and a little bit of dimension. There's a chorus. Some distortion. We're going to use the diode tool. Shape the post filter. And route envelope 2 to cut off. Put the mixer a bit down. There's some OCT. With too much high, so lower down. And then finish it off somewhere EQ. So lower the highs a bit. And boost the lows around here. Just something like this. The volume a bit. And there you have your Mike Williams kind of style bassline. So in the next part we'll be making the leads. So if you like the video, please leave a like. If you see more, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you all in the next videos.